big old working tire store.
What the hell are those things anyway? Is it just rubber?
It's a piece of rope that's...
Rope?
Yeah. And it's treated with this tar baby shit. Oh,
yeah. You sure you just cram it down in there with them big old guns you got? See, years from now, people will be looking this up on the internet, trying to figure out how to help patch a tire.
No, I've seen people, I don't know why they do it, but they set it on fire.
Really?
Yeah. That shit'll burn like hell, man. I don't know what good it does to burn it.
Oh, you kidding? It just, you do it like that?
You ain't never plugged a tire, Bill?
No, man.
Let's go buy another one, don't you?
I go see Felipe. Is that super glue or something?
It's like model glue or something. Yeah, it's pretty bad shit. You can plug a tire and take a trip.
And I got a DeVita tire patch.
Never leave the farm.
Holy crap. Nasty gooey looking shit, isn't it?
It is. Yeah, stuff's coming back out. I don't know.
That's how they do it at NASA. Yeah.
They're ragging.
That's a fine job. All right, everybody. That's one official tire patching thing there. I say we're catching on fire. Is it the glue that flames up?